Hey everyone, and welcome back to another episode in our Apothecary Garden Plant series. So in this episode, we are going to talk about an herb known in some places as the miracle of the Mediterranean. It's been called this or been given this name because for all of the crazy, wonderful benefits it's provided to people over the ages. And yes, if you can believe it, we are talking about oregano. I find it extraordinary. So hidden behind the mask of an ordinary kitchen seasoning is this incredible herb filled with wonderful benefits. So we're going to go over 9 of those benefits with you today and then show you how to make it into a tea where you can easily get a daily dose of the properties, amazing properties, and not spend hours in the kitchen cooking your favorite pasta dish. So I say let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Number 1 on our list is many people swear by oregano's ability to ease sore throats and to relieve coughs, which is pretty awesome. I know when I'm feeling sick, even just a soothing tea is great, and oregano can do the trick for you here. Number 2, oregano is part of the mint family, and a common characteristic or similar characteristic that these plants share is that they help with digestive issues. So nausea could be one of these things. But with oregano, it actually helps with irritable bowel syndrome as well. So all you IBS sufferers out there, give it a shot. But remember, that's just treating the symptoms, and you really want to get to the root of that IBS. So be sure to talk to your doctor and don't just use oregano to solve that, but you can enjoy it. All right, number 3 on our list. It has potential diuretic properties. So this could help with bloating or edema. Number 4, oregano has anti-cancer properties from the flavonoids and phenolic acids, which is just wonderful. And then actually number 5 and 6 on our list, which are benefits of antioxidants as well as anti-inflammatories, are also anti-cancer properties. So you're getting so many things in one. All right, and then we're going to move on to number 7, which is oregano has antibacterial or antimicrobial properties. And then number 8, antiviral, or oregano is an antiviral, which is fantastic when you're going into cooler months. It can help, during flu season and when basically viruses run rampant. So definitely put this in your, don't just use it as, oh, I'm feeling sick, I should take oregano. Take it preventatively, build up your immune system, and that is going to prevent you from getting sick and having, to deal, who wants to get sick? Right? Okay, and now number 9, I think I've saved the best for last. Oregano, get ready, drum roll please, may help you with weight loss. I think a lot of people can appreciate that. So that's it, y'all. Take advantage of oregano. We're gonna go and make a tea, and while we head up there, I just wanted to say, basically, when you drink this tea, you are giving your insides a spa day. I think you should feel really proud of yourself. They're just like getting massaged all in there with oregano goodness. So feel really good about that. All right, let's go ahead and make the tea. And while we head to the place we're going to make tea, if you learned something new, or if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, because the more people that do this, the more we can get, this message out to people who really need to see it. So we appreciate it, and let's go. Okay, so oregano tea can be made with either dried oregano or fresh oregano. So a lot of people do use dried oregano because it is easy to get at the grocery store. But I find that dried oregano tea, it has a really strong earthy flavor to it. And honestly, I really like the fresh one. The fresh tea has like a very light, grassy flavor to it, and it makes it so it pairs well with other herbs, and it just is really refreshing and tasty. So I urge you, if you don't have an oregano plant and you have a sunny windowsill, and sorry about the noise, guys. the mowers decided to come today. Grass, oregano, anyways. Okay, so if you have a sunny windowsill, I really urge you to get a plant. And not only you're gonna get the fresh oregano here for the tea, but you're also gonna have it to cook all the time. So like it's a win-win situation. So again, if you want to use the dried oregano, it's about 1 teaspoon per cup. I would honestly try it. You might even want to do a little bit less, but we're going to go with the fresh oregano for our tea, and we're going to do 1 to 2 tablespoons of fresh. Now what we're going to also do is mix it with, we're going to mix it with some mint ginger, which is going to be super tasty. Yeah, like I said, fresh oregano is really good blended with other herbs. So let's say you're feeling sick, and you have a fever. Mint might be something to add with it to have that cooling nature. Or if you need energy or you want to feel warmth, maybe lemon balm might be really good with it. But today we're going to do the mint ginger. And we're gonna do a lot of the same that we do with the other herbs. So first thing we're gonna do, just gonna go ahead, we're gonna add all of this. So we're just gonna put them together and muddle it up. We wanna release those oils. Looking delicious here. And then while you're doing this, go ahead and put your pot of water on, your cup or 2 of water. Get it to boiling. And then, this is as simple as it gets. We're literally just gonna cut it up, or you could use scissors if you wanted to too. You can use the leaves and the stems, if you wanna just use the leaves and be super fancy, go for it. I'm just gonna go all in. Boom. And then we're adding it in. So again, you're gonna get your water to boiling, take it off, let it rest a moment so you're not adding it right on to your tea. This here, boom. I didn't really cut that one up, but it's gonna go in anyways. You didn't escape, little guy. Or gal. Tea leaf. Okay, we're pausing. We gotta run, go get some water. I'm back. I'm practically the Flash. Oregano is so good for me that it's just giving me like superhuman abilities. Look at that, water boiled and everything. So let's go ahead and we're gonna pour it over. And since this one is fresh, I like it. It tastes good oh my goodness, it tastes really tasty for 5 to 10 minutes, letting it sit. But really do it to taste. I think that's good. We're gonna go with that. Yeah. But if you do the dried one, try it at 2 to 4 minutes first, letting it sit, and then pour it, because again, it's pretty strong tasting in my opinion. But test it out, and you'll find out what you like. And that's the cat wanting tea. All right, everyone, I'm gonna put this down. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, can't forget to put the top on the lid here. Boom. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And we love to hear from you. Please leave us a comment or a question. We'll get back to you. But then, until next time, enjoy your tea and see y'all soon.
You want some tea, girl?